The weekend ahead will feature both mild weather and some thunderstorm activity and even some snow showers. Now, while the eastern half of the nation will, for the most part, be under quieter conditions, the more active weather will be in locations across the west. And here's how this will play out. High pressure that is just over the Great Lakes will begin to expand and slide southward throughout the day today. As we start the day, an area of low pressure moves just off the coast of Virginia and North Carolina, and along with it goes the wet weather. So although some of those areas are off to a bit of a soggy start, especially closer to the coast, the situation there will be improving as the day goes on. Now, further toward the west, this next system, the next big weather maker, is just kicking into gear, and it is initially bringing some wet weather to locations stretching from the eastern edge of Washington state down through Utah. As we get into the end of the day today, we'll see that system ever so slowly make its way eastward. Locations out ahead of it will be enjoying a nice southerly flow, and that's really going to be driving up temperatures across portions of the Central Plains and then eventually into the upper Midwest as we get into the rest of the weekend. But eventually that wet weather will also be following that system, and into the upper elevations that precipitation will be changing over to snow across portions of Wyoming, and then that low will continue to track eastward, spreading moisture across the upper Midwest. The next system will be right on its heels, bringing in the next round of Pacific moisture to the northwest. High temperatures across the nation today are certainly looking spring-like. Check out Denver at 75 degrees. That's going to be one of the warmest days of the next several days. Thunderstorms possible across portions of the Central Plains, 70 in Minneapolis, 73 under sunshine in St. Louis, 80s down toward the Gulf Coast.